Hey, Rockheads, it's Tina Smash along with Big Rick, Carolina Rebellion, and we've got a couple members of Red Sun Rising who just absolutely fucking killed it on stage today.
Thank you. Thanks for watching us up there.
Of course. I wish I could have stayed for the whole thing, but I had to come back to work and
you gotta do things,
radio stuff. But what really got me, and unfortunately Rick didn't get to see it, but the crowd was singing every word and screaming as soon as they heard like their song, whatever song it went into. They were like, yeah,
it's awesome.
They were amped up like early today. I mean, we opened that stage and they were ready to go. That was awesome.
Yeah, it was a really good crowd for as early as it was.
I think so too. Yeah, we had a blast. Totally.
Yeah, I think it has a little bit to do with they're at Carolina Rebellion, so they're here to party, but I think it had more to do with you guys have a huge fan base, and it just continues to grow.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, we are seeing a little bit of that, and
a little bit. Come on.
Well, I'm trying to be modest here. We're seeing a lot of it. Yeah, and the people singing back. That part of it's growing, and I mean, it's awesome.
Yeah, I can't even imagine how it must feel.
It's indescribable. It really is, especially now that we can hit 2. We hit Emotionless, and we closed with that today. The crowd went nuts.
Yeah.
And thanks to people like you, they're hearing it every day.
It kind of reminds me and I'm sure maybe not to you, but the quick success radio-wise kind of reminds me a little bit of Nothing More, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, how they just slammed out hit after hit. So first record, 2 number 1 singles. That's amazing, really.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think that this is the first time that's ever happened.
That's happened. I think
for an independent
band. Independent artist. Independent artist. Yeah.
So we'll take that. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, hang that on your wall because that's pretty good.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, hear that, Razor and Tie? We need a plaque or something.
Yeah, we need a plaque or something.
Yeah, I think that they should totally do that.
Nothing More was actually one of the first bands to take us out and give us a shot. And a lot of advice. We still talk to those guys. We're all looking forward to that second record too, right?
Yeah. I saw Clint Lowry was working with them on it, so I'm excited to see what he's going to bring to the table. It scares me a little bit, and with your record as well, because it's such a good record that sometimes the second one you're like, man, I don't want to be disappointed. Like and not that I would be with Nothing More. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, but it's still that like, oh no, I hope it's just as good as the original one, or the first one.
And you may go through that same thing. I mean, this record is killing it.
Thank you. People have been asking us that. Like, is there any fear of the second record? And I got to be honest. Like, the whole thing that got us here was us sticking to our guns. We had a lot of opportunities early to compromise the integrity of the music, and we just never did. And I think if we stick to that formula, whether it works or not, at least we'll be happy with it.
Right.
But because it's yours. It comes from within, so you can't not be passionate about it because it's your project, and it definitely shows on stage. I mean, you guys just are, I feel like a proud mom. I really do. We love you guys, that.
Thank you.
And I didn't get to see you today, but what I can tell you is the last time I saw you, from the first time I saw you, which was at the House of Blues in Cleveland. I mean, you were.
Oh wow.
I mean, this is a long time ago. I bought a CD. I mean, I was just like, well, this guy, and
you paid for their gas that night.
Yeah, no offense. I had no idea who you were on. I can't even remember the show.
That's
maybe it was
awesome.
Slash and Miles Kennedy, maybe.
Seether, maybe?
Maybe it was Seether.
Yeah,
and it was like, this band from down the road, here's Red Sunrise. I like that. And, I picked up a CD that night.
Awesome.
But, man, it's so I get the proud feeling. It's like, I liked them before they were, number one.
Yeah, and it helps that you're from Ohio, since I'm from Ohio too. So, is it crazy if you guys got to go home and play any local shows recently?
Not recently.
No.
Not since the second one hit, and the last one we did was right at the end of The Other Side, like right before we released the second one. Right before we released Emotionless, and we went home, and it was a packed out club like in Cleveland, and it was so much fun. Like I think they were more excited for us than we were. Like they were so proud.
Yeah.
Well, I think we do get to hit Akron for the first time in September, though.
Yeah, we do.
Wow.
So we're looking forward to that. And,
that's gonna be
that's gonna be
crazy. Maybe I'll come to that show. Maybe I'll make a plan to visit family and come. Seriously, I might have to do that. I'll figure out the date.
Go to Youngstown. That's where you're from.
Whitetown is my town.
Whitetown is scary as hell.
The armpit.
The armpit. Yeah, it is the armpit of America, but I'm proud of it. I mean, you're from the Rubber Bowl.
Yeah, I know.
Whatever.
It's not much better.
How has the whole road situation been? You guys having a good time?
Oh yeah, I mean this lineup, this band. I think we finally found the band that we've always been searching for, and we love each other. Like we have such
you
a good
guys
time.
have a new guitar player.
Yeah, Dave.
Right, and is Dave someone that you've known for a long time? Friends of yours? Yeah.
Yes, he was actually in a band with our drummer Pat. That's how we found him. So. they used to tour with us for years, like when we were independent with his band. So when the opportunity arose, we grabbed Dave, and now we're one big happy family.
Yeah.
That has to be something to come into a band a little later in the game after the success started rolling. He's probably like, how the hell did I get in a band with 2 #1 hits, like just out of the bus, you know?
Yeah, we're always in the Bradford Press. That's where he's from, Bradford, Pennsylvania. It's a small town. So
Oh, I know Bradford, PA real well.
He's always showing us like the Bradford.
He's like the
era.
local hero there.
He's
It's so funny.
It's Dave McGarry and Zippos. That's what's.
That's it.
Oh, yes, Hippos. That's right.
what it is.
That's right.
So I
In
know
his
you
hometown.
guys are getting ready to release your 3rd single very soon here. So I mean, let's see if it hits #1. Let's just keep getting #1s after.
You think we can go for the 3-peat, Michael Jordan
I think
style?
so.
You think You think we have it?
Be amazing.
What's your pick?
I think so. I think so.
What do you think? What's your pick?
If you do anything like Michael Jordan does it, I think you're going to be okay. I'm just saying. Except for
hope we
have you
do.
seen the crying Jordan
Crying.
memes?
No,
Yeah.
Oh, please just go. Just
I don't
type
want
in-
to see it. I love him too much.
It's they're amazing. I'm a huge Jordan fan too, but they are an amazing thing. I don't know if you guys spend a lot of time bored on a bus or anything, but if you do, just type in "crying Jordan" and you will fill all of your time.
Can't wait.
Is there a band on the festival scene that you guys are like, oh my, like Alice Cooper? Like I'm so excited about
Yeah.
Oh,
Alice
yeah,
Cooper.
I was-
Like how awesome is that, right?
That's legendary.
Rock
Yeah,
on the
right?
Range. We have Deftones and the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Yes.
Yeah.
2 of my favorites. We have
too.
Alice in Chains somewhere. Where is that?
I don't remember. Maybe Rock Allegiance or something?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Oh wow, yeah.
But that's one of our favorite bands too, so.
I had an opportunity to meet Jerry and sit down. He's very intimidating.
I would be
Really?
intimidated.
Oh my god! Like I never get. It wasn't like a starstruck moment. It was.
I would be.
But it was more like, fuck. How do I even interview him? Like
Yeah.
I don't even know what to
Yeah,
say.
nice work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was like, but he was super
Killer
nice about it.
tunes,
It was,
man.
It was probably one of the hardest
Seriously.
and worst interviews I've ever done because I just didn't know like how to talk to him. I just wanted
That's
to
funny.
like you know what
Yeah.
I mean? Thanks for just sitting next to me on the couch. I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. Get a picture.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Remember that
So-
time you were in Alice in Chains? That was awesome. Yeah, it's just Chris Farley. That's all you can do.
Yeah, dude, that's,
What do you say? You know what I mean?
he's one of those guys for me. I think that's how I'm gonna feel if I meet him. Just like, oh god.
Yeah.
Does that get, because you obviously earned the respect to be on festivals
Yeah.
like this, but I'm sure as you keep moving along, you're going to find that you're on a show with somebody who probably, you go out there, you get your guitar, and you're like, how am I supposed to play guitar
Yeah.
in front of like Jerry
Yeah.
Cantrell or in front of Slash or somebody
That's
like
kind
that?
of how I felt with Bush the other day, man. Gavin
Yeah.
Rossdale was there, and I'm like, hey.
I was a little fan.
Just
of
put your
it.
head down. You're like,
Oh yeah, hey, I like Bush.
Sure.
I like
Not that kind. You're the kind
I
that
think you
do.
just put that on a bumper sticker. Or,
I'm an
You
idiot.
put that on merch.
Yeah.
You put,
I like
yeah.
Bush.
Red Sun Rising. I like
they're
Bush.
missing a huge
We love
opportunity
Bush.
with shirts.
Yeah.
We love Bush.
Or was it Jesus in a jean jacket?
Jeez, that's
Oh,
Ricky.
yeah.
Yeah, was that Ricky?
Or
That
Mike.
was you.
Oh, I don't know.
I think
I
it
don't
was
remember.
you.
Maybe I did.
I don't know. We need Ryan here to tell the story because he loves that story.
Yeah, he does
so.
need to be here.
He-
No one's
he'll
called
be-
me Skip.
He'll be here.
Yet,
He'll
so
be
that's
here
good.
very soon. So, anyway, congratulations, you guys.
Thank
Anything
you.
else we need to know about that's coming up other than you're just touring, continuing, and
Yeah, we're about to announce another tour.
oh, anything
Um,
we're allowed to know? And
Not yet, but it'll be a good one. It'll be a fun one.
good.
Did they not announce it yet?
No, they have not.
I think they did. Who was it again?
They heard it here first.
Yeah, they heard it. Yeah.
I may or may not have said something in another interview.
I can tell
Oh,
you off the
bullshit.
record.
Somebody else got it and we
Okay,
didn't.
off the record. Okay, shut the
Here,
camera down.
we'll cover these up.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's Red Sun Rising. If you haven't picked up the new album, make sure that you do. And we'll see in about maybe 6 weeks if the new single is #1. I have a feeling it
Yeah,
will
awesome.
be. We'll take bets. How about
Thank
that?
you.
Let's do it.